let me show you how easy it is to mirror a shape or an image in CorelDraw. Simply select the object you want to mirror. Then you will see this option straight away at the very top. So we got a vertical mirror and a horizontal one. So we want to flip this across the vertical line, left and right, just like that, or up and down. So as you can see, it's really simple. Alternatively, you can try to do it manually by dragging the point of transformation all the way to another side, like that, and we flip the object by hand. But it's way easier by pressing simply one button at the top. And done. I hope this super short tutorial was helpful, and I will see you in the next video.